Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lobster Alfredo pasta using an easy method. First, ensure you have 2 to 3 lobster tails, each weighing around 4 to 6 ounces. Cook your favorite pasta, like fettuccine, until al dente. While the pasta cooks, finely mince 2 cloves of garlic and chop a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. This preparation sets the stage for a quick and flavorful dish. Now let's cook the star of our dish, the lobster. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant, but don't let it brown. Then, add your lobster meat, cut into bite-sized pieces, and sauté for 3 to 5 minutes until it's opaque and cooked through. Remove the lobster and set it aside. Next, we'll create our creamy Alfredo sauce. In the same skillet, whisk together 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of whole milk. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. Gradually stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until the sauce is smooth and thickened. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a tiny dash of nutmeg for depth of flavor. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your cooked pasta and the sautéed lobster back into the skillet with the warm Alfredo sauce. Toss gently to ensure every strand of pasta and every piece of lobster is beautifully coated. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve immediately for a truly indulgent meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.